So in this video you're going to learn about Elementor WordPress tutorial beginner's guide. So guys, before I begin guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. Okay, so guys, let's begin guys. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So first things first, we are going to go and install WordPress. Installing WordPress on Bluehost is really easy, one of the best web hosting. It takes only 2 seconds to install WordPress guys. I'm not joking, I'm serious. So I have a 70% discount. The link is in the description. Okay, so go down there, check it out. Creating a WordPress website in 3 seconds. Just click on my sites. I'm gonna create one demo site. I'm gonna just demo is the site name, site demo 1 2 3. Okay, I'm just gonna deselect everything. I'm gonna call it test 2. I'm just gonna create within 3 seconds. So guys, 1 2 and 3. As you could see, in 3 seconds you have downloaded WordPress. I'm just gonna log into my WordPress. So once I'm on my WordPress, I'm gonna show you how to install Elementor and how. So currently my website looks like this. Looks really weird, doesn't look that great. So just gonna do is click a new theme. I'm gonna click on add new. I'm gonna download an Astra theme, one of the best themes for Elementor plugin. So just install. Once this is installed, click on theme, click over here, go back, sorry, click on activate. Once this is activated, I'm just gonna click on Astra options, click on install importer plugin. So appearance, Astra options, and click on install importer plugin. I'm going to choose Elementor, click next. So basically Astra theme provides free templates, so I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to click over here, import site. So now we are going to edit this site with Elementor. So I'll just pause the video because I think so it will take 2 to 10 minutes depending on my internet speed. So I would see you in a while. So guys, I'm done. So it took me 56 seconds. I'm just gonna done view site. So currently this is how my website looks. So this is how my website looked. To edit with Elementor, editing with Elementor is really easy. Click over here. So Elementor is loaded. So guys, this is the free version of Elementor. So I would always suggest, once you start making money, then you could purchase the new one. And I'm just talking with Elementor team to get me the best offers right now. So once as soon as I get it, I would just share it with you, or just type in comments that you need to buy the Elementor plugin. So I'm gonna give you a special discount. I have some coupons as well, because right now if you click on Elementor, they have a Black Friday sale going on. So I'm just gonna purchase it right now. So I'm gonna purchase the agency pack, or I'm gonna purchase this one. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, so let's get back to Elementor. It's really easy. Click over here. Let's say you're creating a website for makeup, you can type make up. If you want to change this to on the left, on the right, on the center, on the typography, you want to change the design. I'm gonna make it I want to make it big or small. You could do over here. You could use different fonts. So if I want to make like this, makeup or something fancy, or this one. Okay, but I like the Arial one. Okay, I'm just gonna click on update. If I want to remove the video, just click over here, remove the video, use only images, click on update. If I want to change the image, so come back over here. You can click over here and just right click and delete, right click and delete. If you don't want this, click and delete. If you don't want this, click and delete. If you want to come back, press Ctrl Z. Everything's back again. If I don't want any of these things, I'm just gonna delete, 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 and just update. So this is how your website would look right now, and it's mobile responsive as well. So now what I'm gonna do is Just gonna go and show you the website. So it's mobile responsive if I close. So this is how it looks like. But now what you have to do is come back over here. If you want to add something, guys, it's really easy to add as well. It's drag and drop. Come back over here. Okay, click over here. How many columns you need? Let's say I just need 2 columns. In 1 column I'm gonna have, so click on these boxes over here. I'm gonna add heading, get good food. On the next column I'm just gonna add some image. Click over here, media library, and click over here, insert media. If you want to make this small, click over your medium, or you could just, what I'm gonna do is click on style. Okay, so you can make this big and small, whatever you want to do with it. If I want to make this one top, so if I want to get it over here closer, even the padding, okay, just update. So you could do a lot of things, but I don't like this, so you could delete it. You could click on add template. So basically Elementor has templates as well. So I'm gonna click not pages, I'm gonna click on blocks. So if I want to add this block, I'm just gonna click over here, insert. So as you could see right now, you could write things up over here. I'm just gonna update, go back to my website, just refresh, and now you could see everything's here. Looks really good. So that's it, guys. This is how you could edit. You could just experiment with, try. For me, everything is new as well. So for me, just drag drop what it says. You could see, okay, fine, it says like this. You could learn, okay, everything is there. Okay, everything. If you want to put a divider, you could put a divider over here. So there's this line over here, and then what you could do is you could put a text on top. You could put a text at the bottom as well. It will divide it. So guys, it's really simple. It's just drag and drop. This is a basic tutorial, so I'm not here to spoon feed you like, this is a button, this is a video. I'm just gonna give you a basic explanation. Once you know how things work, you could start learning on your own and start being more creative. For me, this is just a video to show you. It's very easy. You could do it, anyone could do it. And that's it for the video. And I've created a free course, guys. In that video I tell you how you could make a WordPress website with the best SEO settings, with the best SEO plugins. Everything's over there, the best theme. And I also tell you how you could start making money with creating website. You could start creating blogs. You could start making money selling websites. Okay, so please consider subscribing. And also one more valuable information I would give you right now. So the best thing to make money right now, looking at this website, is in your area. Imagine there are so many small restaurants. Okay, so you could make same websites and start selling to them. You could start selling to them for $100 and or $50. Okay, just a minimum. Once you start making money up, once you start making network, you can start making more money. Just a simple tip. If you find this tip valuable, please consider subscribing. And there's a lot of more information in the free course. Okay, so that's what I did in the beginning. I created a hair salon website. I sold it to one hair salon for really cheap because he was my friend. And then I went to the other salon and I said that, this salon bought a website for me, so even you need to do it, because it has, people could reserve it and you could get an email on your inbox. So I made a lot of money doing that. So this is one small tip on how you could start making money. There's a lot on the free course. So the link is down below for the free course, and I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.